Hey guys, I'm Sachi here. You're watching Mud Jar. So welcome back, and I'm here with a new plant. This is a very beautiful plant. I had showcased this before on this channel. If you watch it frequently, if not, please do subscribe to the channel, and you can watch other videos here. I'll link an I button over here. And yeah, so this is a string of tears, the common name, and this is known as Curio hiranis, which is the scientific name. So you see this has small beads in the shape of like a raindrop or tear. So yeah, that's why the name string of tears. So right now I've kept this in the same nursery pot because I before this from the same Curio family I had string of pearls which I had successfully killed. So I was quite dicey, but this I'm having since like 3-4 months, and this is doing really well. This is near in my southeast window where it gets the morning sunlight as well, so they need very bright light. So that's why I've kept it there. If you can get them some sun, it is really good for them. And about the soil, again same succulent mix, but right now I am just using the nursery pot. I have not changed the soil yet, so maybe I think I'll change it soon. I was waiting for it to settle down in my area, and now it has grown a lot, so this will need another pot probably. So this pot size is already big, so I'm going to plant in this pot itself. And yes, about the watering, it's very important. You cannot even try watering them like in over quantity, so never over water them. You have to wait for them to dry, and that then only you will have to water them. So that's why this is very finicky and fragile at times when you don't treat them well. That's why probably I had killed my string of pearls, and that's why I'm giving you this advice. So I have 2 of these, and both are doing really good in bright light. So yes, and I give them fertilizer in terms of seaweed while watering, because the pot is very small. I cannot put compost in it. And yes, this is doing really good for me. So if you have mice or mouse in your like area, they may damage it at times, because I'll show you one of the leaf over here. This has been damaged by a mouse in my office here. So because they have a lot of water in them, I don't know, I think mouses, they want to have it. So you get the like idea of watering it. And the soil mix, again I have mentioned this in previous video, that from the leaf quality. So the leaves are very thick, they hold water, that's why they are thick, right? So you don't want to water them because they already hold in a lot of water. Yeah, so that's the reason I get to know, even if I don't know anything about the plant, just seeing the leaf and the nature and the quality and the thickness, right? A lot of ants. And that was it. So this is Curio hiranis, string of tears for you. Let me know if you really liked it. So I'll see you in the next video.